Hello and welcome to Reviewverse channel. Here you can get every desirable product at affordable price. Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the most affordable products in the Amazon market. We are a group of people working together to give you product reviews in various categories. We try to make informed decisions so that they can meet your needs and still be reasonably priced and of a good caliber. We'll bring up what you should search for before buying them. Let's get started. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, Brushed Stainless Steel, BES 500 BSS. The Breville Bambino Plus delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Bambino series that offers the faster way to professional results at home in a compact footprint. Serious espresso, serious value. Dose control grinding. Achieve a consistent and balanced espresso using the right amount of ground coffee. The 54mm portafilter with 19 grams is the key for full flavor and cafe quality coffee. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Faster heat up time. Innovative thermojet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds. Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine, Brushed Stainless Steel, BES 880 BSS. The Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine helps you create third-wave specialty coffee with ease with intuitive touchscreen display with pre-programmed cafe drinks in 3 easy steps: grind, brew and milk. You can easily adjust the coffee strength, milk texture and temperature to suit your taste. Precise espresso extraction, digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Faster heat up time, innovative thermojet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds, ready to make your best coffee without the wait. Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Lattego, Black, EP 3241/54. Enjoy 5 coffees. Intuitive touch display. 12-step grinder adjustment. 20,000 cups of finest coffee with durable ceramic grinders. Keep your beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal. Up to 5,000 cups without descaling thanks to AquaClean. Dishwasher safe parts for your convenience. Easy cleaning thanks to fully removable brewing group. Makes espresso, hot water, cappuccino, coffee, latte macchiato and americano. Includes measuring scoop, water hardness test strip, AquaClean filter, Lattego storage lid, grease tube. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the product links down below within the description.